getting the share of the lead sa Commissioner's Cup.
Salamat.
What's although maaga pa naman eh, but in case na di pa si Akil, parang madali sa inyong at nakapalit since you got 2 imports sa ESL, si Anse and DJ.
Yeah, they're both ready. I think DJ's a nice guy to have also. I think he's played overseas. He knows the game. It's a different dimension. Akil will play with one leg. Tingin ko dyan kahit may mask yan, lalaro yan. So, this guy beside me had played through a mask. It's not gonna be easy, diba? But we just have to be also thankful and grateful for this win kasi at least we're 2-0. Right now we have to find a way the next few games how we'll be, right? But it's hard playing with the mask. Tama ka dun. We have those guys ready.